Hola my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I am getting ready because finally I'm gonna go out on a dinner date with my husband. It's been a while since we do this and I thought it was time for us to just chill, us alone, spend time together, go eat somewhere and have a little fun. So I'll be putting on some new stuff on my face. I'm gonna be trying this oil sucker today and see if I like it. So if all that interests you and you want to see what we do, where we go, what we eat and all that good stuff, then keep on watching. So I bought this primer. This is the One Size Oil Sucker primer and I've been dying to try this out because this is the Extreme Oil Control All Day Mattifying Effect. It doesn't clog pores or anything like that. It's alkaline. It helps reduce excess oil to balance and mattify. It has 15% mineral silicate complex, which tightens the appearance of pores. Ooh, has micro hyaluronic acid as well, and Korean red ginseng. It has a lot of great stuff. So let's see. Let's put it to the test. Instructions: shake well before use. Apply a smooth thin layer onto completely dry skin in oily areas only. For best results, allow product to dry for 3 minutes while remaining expressionless. Store at room temperature. Crazy, right? Different types of like instructions. So let me really shake this up. A little bit of it right here. And apply it where I get oily, which is right here. My nose and my whole T-zone. And I will wait for about 3 minutes. Let's see. Feels tight. How do I look? Okay. It's so stiff. I know I'm not supposed to move. But he came in here, started making me laugh. And now I can't stop. I think it's been more than 3 minutes, but I still feel very stiff. And it doesn't say how long is the stiffness supposed to last. But did you see how mattified where I put it is? Look how shiny I am up here. And then here I'm super matte. I've never seen my face so matte. Can I continue? Is this supposed to feel like this like forever until I wash my face? Because that's uncomfortable. I thought after like 3 minutes the stiffness would go away. I'm just gonna continue. I'll be using my trusty infallible because I know how this lasts on me and how it looks on me, and if there's something weird with this, then I know it's that. Okay, I continue. Let me just apply this. It is the weirdest thing. The weirdest. But does it mattify? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. As soon as that hit my skin, it mattified. Okay, everything's fine now. Everything's normal. I can feel my face again. I can move my face again. And it's looking pretty darn good. And yeah, where I put it, it kind of blurred my pores as well. Wow. So now I'm gonna add my concealer. For a moment there, I was scared. I was like, what the hell is going on here? I'm gonna set my face with the Beauty Bakery, the flower setting powder. So we decided to just go somewhere and eat. We know this restaurant along the beach that's really good. They make like the best fish and chips and he likes that a lot. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. but I'm starting to get hungry. And hopefully it's not that full, because usually it gets really packed. That's why we're going a little bit earlier, to avoid that and get a good spot, a good table. And hopefully the food is good. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera to save time to get into the vlog part of the video and not bore you with everything. And I'll be right back. Okay, I also wanted to try on camera for this video the mascara, because I did buy a new mascara because I haven't had any luck with my mascaras, and I wanted to try a new one. So this one says is lengthening and it gives volume, which I need both. So here it is. This is the Make Waves mascara. So of course I got it in black. This is very, very thin one, which is good because you could get really close to the base of your lashes. So I do appreciate that. Let's see if this gives actual volume as well. So let's see. I'll be the judge of that. Because I have short and straight down lashes. That's one coat. I am seeing lengthening, so that's good. And it kind of separates all the lashes, which is great as well. So I would say this doesn't really give volume. It's more for lengthening. Okay, there it is with 3 coats. I like it. I like it. I think it's great. It gives great length. I wish it would give me more volume, but I'm okay with it because I do notice the difference in length. So I think it's pretty good. Just adding some blush. I already did bronzer. Add my lipstick and I'll be back. Okay, so far I'm liking both of these. I'll keep you posted. If you want to know how this wore throughout the day, let me know in the comment section so I can pin a comment and let you know what I thought of this. And the mascara, so far I'm loving it. So let me get changed so we can go. ate almost everything, but I couldn't finish it because I couldn't. It was too much. The fish tacos were great. It had a lot of flavor to it. Usually I don't really like fish tacos that much, but that one was excellent. The playa cocktail is called playa and it's very sweet. It's very good. I like the taste of it. It was excellent in my opinion. And look how stuffed I am. Yep, that says it all. How about your food?
Yeah, mine was good. I had the ceviche of fish. It's like a salad, like a cold salad, with fish. It had some chips. I think they were like eggplant.
Oh yeah, that was good.
It was really good.
That
It had
was really
cilantro,
good.
onion. It had lime juice all over it.
I actually tasted it, and it was really good.
And then I had a small sampler. The small sampler brought little like plantain mofongo.
It was really good as well.
Eggplant chips. It had small cheese balls and
Love that.
like corn sticks.
Yep.
With mayo ketchup sauce. So everything was good. I ate both things. I was on level.
Yeah, he ate everything. I don't know how the hell you could fit all that.
And I had a drink. It was called Sol. And it was Captain Morgan spiced rum. It was really good. I drank it all.
It was good. The food was good. I can't complain. And you know me, and I love to complain. But everything was tasty and excellent. So now we're going home and chill, and that's it for this video. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.